How to generate leads on YouTube. All right, let's dive right into the content for how to generate leads on YouTube. This is the best B2B business development strategy you're going to find. So the first thing I do when it comes to generating leads on YouTube is research. And you might be thinking, well, Dave, of course, everybody does research, but they don't do the kind of research that I do. You don't make videos that you want to make. You make videos that your ideal clients would like you to make. So the first thing I do is I make a complete list of all the questions people are asking me. Now, these could be smart questions, these could be dumb questions, but I make a list of all the questions. And then I rank those questions by the frequency at which I get them. So the more questions I get more often, those are the first videos I'm going to make, and then we're going to go down to fewer questions. Now, I don't stop there when it comes to doing research. I start there. So questions people are asking me. So, for example, a good question is, hey, Dave, what is business development? People ask me that all the time. They say, is it sales? Is it marketing? So what is business development is a great question, but it seems like a very basic question. The fact that a lot of people have asked me that over the years tells me that I need to make a video on that. The second thing I do is I do keyword research, and I start my keyword research by doing what's called YouTube autofill research. And I'll show you what that is. We're going to cut in a screenshot here. YouTube autofill research is when you type in the keyword. So, for example, typing in business development, and then you look at the other words that come in after it. That will help you see what other people are searching for on YouTube. This is a great way to start looking for keyword research. So here you can see I just typed in the word business development, and look at all of these phrases that pop up. So business development plain, and then business development manager, business development strategies, business development executive, business development representative, business development interview, all of these phrases are popular things people are searching for on YouTube. So I want to make a video with one of these keyword phrases. So I said to you, one of the questions I got all the time is, what is business development? So if I type in what is business development, again, here's autofill. People want to know what a business development executive is, blah, blah, the whole thing. So I type that in, and then I search. Now, the second thing I do after I do the YouTube keyword research is I look for videos that have high search volume, that are low competition. Now you'll see on the right-hand side of the screen, there are a couple of, they look like meters there. I told you that I use two tools that help me, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So you'll see on the right-hand side, vidIQ lists the highest number of views this search has ever gotten. So people typing in what is business development, 334,836 times this has been searched in a month was the highest. The average number of views a video with this title is about 56,000. That's pretty good. How many videos were added in the last 7 days that use this exact phrase? 5 out of the 20 videos that use that same phrase. How many videos have closed captions? 10 out of 20. So overall score from vidIQ, which is a plugin, anybody can download it. You can pay a couple bucks a month for it, is a 62. And you can see the volume, the search volume is pretty good. This is a good phrase for me. What is business development? The third thing that is really important when you're trying to generate leads on YouTube is the context. Now, what does that mean? YouTube has gotten very good over the years and excellent in the last 12 to 18 months at determining what the video is all about based on the language that you're using. That's called contextual artificial intelligence. So the contextual artificial intelligence that YouTube uses to determine the topic of the video is amazing. So you have to say the keyword phrase in your video. You'll notice all my videos start out with me announcing the title. I say, how to generate leads on YouTube. And I'll say, generating leads on YouTube, how to generate leads on YouTube several times during the video. Why do I do that? Because that's how YouTube determines what the video is all about. So you have to use the keywords, both the entire phrase and portions of the phrase. So I'll say generate leads, I'll say leads on YouTube, I'll say how to generate leads on YouTube, multiple times in the video so that YouTube's artificial intelligence can understand that this is a video all about how to generate leads on YouTube. The fourth thing you need to do is offer a honeypot. Now, what's a honeypot? A honeypot is essentially a lead magnet. This is something you offer your audience for free in exchange for them giving you their opt-in information. So you'll see here on the screen, I'm going to show you my honeypot is my revenue roadmap guide. Now, I offer my honeypot in the context of the video. So you'll hear me say, and I'm going to offer it to you right now. If you want to get the best business development guide you can get, it's absolutely free. Do this. Go to revenueroadmapguide.com. That's revenueroadmapguide.com. That's a website. When you go there, you'll enter your contact information and you'll get instant access to my revenue roadmap guide. This is my guide to business development. It's my step-by-step guide to help you get more clients and get home on time for dinner every night. You offer your honeypot during the video. You do it in three ways. You do it in the video like I just did. That's a real website, by the way. You can go to revenueroadmapguide.com and get your revenue roadmap immediately. So I offer it in the video, and you'll see my great editor, Les, will put up on the screen the little revenue roadmap graphics and everything, which shows you what the guide looks like. And people go there during the video and they download the guide. I also offer it in the description. You'll see the top line of the description of my video says, get your free gift from Dave, revenueroadmapguide.com. So no matter where you go, you have access to my free offer, my honeypot. Now, why do I put it in three different places? Well, the whole point of me making this video is to generate leads. And as I'm recording this video, I have over 700 videos up, but only the last maybe 150 since April of 2021, I started offering the Revenue Roadmap Guide. Only the last 150 have this offer in them. But it's been, as I record this, it's been about 5 months, 4.5 months since I started offering this. I get between 5 and 15 leads a day right now. Now, who knows? You may be watching this 2 or 3 years from now. Who knows how many leads I'll be getting per day by the time you watch this. But think about this. Somebody could watch this video where I offer this honeypot 5 years from now, and they could opt in and become a client. 15 leads per day. 2 or 3 people of those 15 at some point are going to ask me if they can work with me. So that's 2 or 3 people every day. And these videos are good because they're evergreen topics. They're topics that last forever. These videos are good forever. So if you do this the right way, a video you make today could still be productive for you 5 or 10 years down the road. All right, the fifth point I want to make is about the quality and the length of your video. If you've ever watched any of my videos, you'll notice that I don't hold anything back. I don't just give you teaser copy. I give you all the goods I can. And I do it in a way that makes it short and sweet. I keep the videos to between 10 and 15 minutes. I'll talk about length in a minute. But quality is really important. You have to give great value in your videos. Give them all the secrets you can fit into the video. Why? Because the idea is you're starting a relationship with this video. People may not be convinced that they want to spend tens of thousands of dollars with you based on one video. But the idea is to get them to watch more videos, to get them to subscribe to your channel, to get them to download your honeypot, to start a relationship with you, and to get them to come back every day and keep learning and growing from you and with you. So the quality has to be high. You have to give great tips that they can take and put into practice right now. And then your video length needs to be between 10 and 15 minutes long. Now, some videos will be 6 or 7 minutes because that's all it takes to cover that topic. Other videos will be 16 or 17 or even 21 or 22 minutes. The average length of your videos should be between 10 and 15 minutes. Why should the average length be between 10 and 15 minutes? Because that's kind of a sweet spot. It is a sweet spot for people's attention span, but it's also a sweet spot for YouTube. The idea is that YouTube rewards videos by promoting them when people stay on them for the full length, but also for a longer period of time. So if you could make an hour-long video that people would stay on and watch for the entire hour, that would be fantastic. But an hour is a really long time, and it has to be pretty compelling content. Even if you were, a very frustrated teenage boy and it was an amazing-looking woman and you were interested in amazing-looking women, it would be hard for you to keep your eyes on a video for 1 hour. So my recommendation is keep the length between 10 and 15 minutes because it'll please YouTube, and it'll be, if your content is compelling, viewers will watch to the end and they'll take notes. So the quality and the length have to be high. The length has to be between 10 and 15 minutes. Now, those are the tips for how to generate leads on YouTube. I've got a secret that I promised you was coming at the end of the video. Okay, let's get to that secret right now. The secret to success that I'm going to share with you is once you found a winning topic on YouTube and you make a video that's getting a lot of views over and over again, you may think to yourself, that's great. Let's move on to the next topic. No. When you've got a winning video, what you do is you make a new video with a very close title on that same topic, and you make it just a little bit longer. You change up what you say in the video, but you still use the keyword phrase. You make that same video, but in a different way over and over and over again. Now, why do you do it? You do it because you're still capturing just a fraction of the audience. You can make the same video with a different title, but the same keyword phrase in it, and make it a different way, make it slightly longer each time, 3 or 4 minutes longer. So if your first video is 10 minutes, your second one is 13, your third one is 16, your next one is 20. 20 is probably the maximum. I would go maybe 21, 22 if you do 4 or 5 videos on the same topic. You hammer home that topic over and over again. Why? Because if people watched one of your videos on this topic, if you can give them a few new nuggets of information and make that next video slightly longer, they're going to trust you to come back again and again to watch more videos on that same exact topic. Good topics on YouTube are topics you should dominate. Hammer it home. That's the secret. And this is how to generate leads on YouTube. You want more great information just like this about how to develop a great business, especially if you're in B2B and you want B2B business development information, scroll down, watch the video right below me right now. You're going to love the next video. I'll see you there. Thanks for joining me. Go ahead, click on that next video right now. See you there.